In mid-2014, Apple bought the popular Beats by Dre, creating their own versions of speakers and headphones. They are popularly used by celebrities, athletes, and youth. The Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones came out in late 2016 and have been going strong since, with many different colors and versions updated along the way. So why get them now in 2019? Like the AirPods, I will review, unpack, test, compare, and discuss on why you should get these fantastic headphones now, with the topics ranging from features, connectivity, battery life, distance, and much more. This is why you should get Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones in the beginning of 2019. Right from opening the box, I knew the type of high quality headphones I was going to get. The more pieces I removed from the box, the more the presentation popped out with various logos, cases, and hidden compartments. These areas kept the headphones with its carry-on bag, the instructions, a remote talk cable, and a charger, unfortunately with no charging cube. The headphones come labeled on each side with instructions of which side do what. The quality of the product was well made too. The headphones can stretch well for any head. The design of the Beats make it compact and neat, while the ear pads are comfortable and foam well on the ear. The writing on the top and both sides indicate the brand and its instructions. Those instructions have a reason because each side has its own function. The left side for its wire connection, you connect the remote talk cable to the headphone jack on the headphones and to your phone. Newer iPhones needing the dongle as going wireless is more recommended for Apple now. The controls are easy to use. The top and button buttons are to raise and lower volume, while the button in the middle pauses, plays, skips, picks up, and hangs up phone calls. On the bottom right side of the headphones is where the charger goes, if you use the Beats wirelessly. On the same side, you hold the button to turn wireless on or off, with lights appearing to show how many bars of battery life you have. To change the volume, press on the ring above and below the Beats logo. Use the Beats logo to pause, skip, pick up, and hang up phone calls. Once turned on, the Beats should connect to your phone automatically if Bluetooth is turned on in settings. Being an Apple product, anything connected with your iCloud account can be automatically connected with your Beats now. If not connected, go to any of your media players and then click on the AirPlay logo and it should appear there. Battery percentage can be shown on all Apple devices connected as well. To connect on your Mac, click on the volume button on the top and select your Beats. Now onto the good stuff, testing out the Beats Solo 3s and its features. The Solo 3s are meant to be used wirelessly, containing a built-in wireless speaker and a fast-fueling battery that can charge for 3 hours of play in 5 minutes. The battery can last up to a whopping 40 hours of wireless play. More importantly though is the way it sounds. The Solo 3s are noise cancelling and the music sounds great. The mids, lows, and highs sound good, but the bass is most noticeable for being higher, perfect if you listen to rap and hip-hop. I also feel like the volume is a bit higher too for the headphones though. These Beats headphones can go up to 40 feet away from its music source, and like AirPods, the Solo 3s contain Apple's W1 chip. The look of it isn't that bad either. With many different colors and shades, the Solo 3s stay firmly on your head with no shaking or wobbling. The Solo 2s in look are very similar. It just feels a little cheaper while the Solo 3s feel more sleek and comfortable. The big difference is that the Solo 3s can be both wired and wireless while my Solo 2s were stuck with the cable. There's a huge difference with the carry-on bags though. The Solo 2's case felt more soft and comfortable like a sponge. The Solo 3's case is more rough and like a backpack. It feels cheaper but better for rain most likely. Though the Solo 3's case is better in the inside as it has a pocket to keep cables or other items hidden inside compared to the Solo 2's bag. Like I said about AirPods, going wireless is the best. The Beats Solo 3s help you listen to your favorite songs with no noise disruptions from the outside world. It's perfect for going to the gym or doing physical activities as it always stays firmly on your head with your phone being up to 40 feet away or using your Apple Watch with no cables in the way. The Solo 3s are comfortable, sound great, and are not heavy, can be easily stored away with its compact design, can still be used with a cable option, and are very compatible with other Apple devices. With no updated versions coming in sight by Apple as they focus on their AirPods more, for headphones used with Apple products, I recommend getting the Beats Solo 3s. I give it a 9 out of 10. Next time I'll review the long-awaited battle between Spotify and Apple Music, which music streaming app is better and which one you should use. Like, comment, subscribe for more.